and your tip outs are probably going to be some of your biggest tax write-offs that you have.
10. You can write this off. Super simple.
Also, your tax prep, your CPA, anyone you pay to do your taxes, whether that's like an actual CPA or TurboTax or anything like that, that's all a tax write-off.
10. Also super simple.
Your work outfits, your work shoes, that's a tax write-off. Make sure you keep your receipts.
5. Work outfits are a very, very specific type of tax write-off. You have to only be able to use them in your line of work. This would be like costume type of stuff, your stripper lingerie, maybe of some certain kind, but if you can wear it outside of work, you cannot write it off.
Your parking, your valet.
10. Simple, straightforward, easy.
We're doing our hair, our nails, our makeup, lashes, all of this stuff all the time, spray tans, all of that stuff is a tax write-off because it's necessary for your business.
5. Again, if it's really specifically for work, some kind of specific hairstyle, some kind of specific nail structure, then you can write it off. Think if you are doing a play, if you're in the theater, that hairstyle, that hair type of work, yes. But if you wear it out of the office, you can't write it off.
I also write off all of my hygiene products. So like when I go to Target and I get Dove antibacterial wash, or I get Summer's Eve wipes or spray, or I get deodorant spray, all of that stuff I write off on my taxes. 1.
The answer here is no, you can't write these off. Again, if you use them outside of work, you can't use them in. If you were a car repairman and you need a specific type of soap to get axle grease off of your hands, that probably would count. But soap, just regular sort of feminine hygiene products that you would use, probably not.
My perfume for work, I write that off on my taxes.
1. Again, if you're gonna wear it outside of the office, then it's not deductible, unfortunately.
Any whole fitness classes.
0. Same thing here. It's not necessary and ordinary for your business. We're talking about just fitness generally, dance classes generally. These are not going to be deductible. Maybe you could call them continuing education, but I don't think it would fly.
My LLC fees.
10. Simple, straightforward, definitely a business expense.
Mileage to and from work.
10. If you take the home office deduction, which is something that we're not going to talk about in this video. If you are a 1099, worker and you have an office that you go to, you should establish a home office where you do your admin, where you do all of your other stuff. Then your travel from your office to your place of work is going to be deductible. Mileage, you can do depreciation on your car. Pick one of those two, but definitely a 10.
My contributions to my SEP IRA and my HSA.
10. Easy, simple, straightforward. If you have an HSA, make sure you have a high deductible insurance plan that coincides with your HSA contribution, but a 10. Follow me for more tax tips.